Porcelain. One last bit of porcelain. Okay. Okay, two last bits of porcelain. Okay. Boom. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is all rotted out in here. You can do this piece, and maybe that piece. So that's ready to joint this piece too. So that's going to be a pain in the butt. And then I got to put the new siding on, and I got a little special thing in mind for that. But next stop will be Lowe's to get some lumber for what I'm doing here. So that's it. Garden's cleaned up, and now porch repair is underway. Happy day to you.